Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jay Ezra, and in this video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the MicroKorg S. So before I get started, there are a few things I got to say, and that is this is going to be basically a mini review. I'm not going to be going over every single little feature this thing has and going over every single little button. There are plenty of other videos on YouTube for that. I'm just going to be going over just the basics of this and the unboxing. So if you're here for a full in-depth review, you're going to have a really bad time. Also, if you watched the whole video and liked it or learned anything, press the like button and also consider subscribing so you don't miss any videos in the future. All right, now let's start the unboxing. All right, so here we are with the MicroKorg S. And now what I'm going to do is just show you the outside of the box, or the sleeve of the box. Alright, now next thing I'm going to do is take the sleeve off. So once this is off, it looks like we have a mainly plain box. There is a Korg logo there, and then some shipping information there. Serial numbers. Alright, let's open this thing up. Alright, here we go. And I think I might have opened this upside down, but that is okay. Take this cover out. And it looks like I did open it upside down, but that is alright. So first thing we have here is the keyboard itself. I'm going to set this aside for now. We can look at everything else. We'll get to the keyboard last. So styrofoam. Packaging. Here we have the microphone for the vocoder. So, there it is. We have the instruction manual. And then on this side, it looks like we have the power supply. Oh, there it is. Power supply box. Pretty straightforward. Let me get this box out of the way now that we're done with that. Alrighty, now for the big reveal. Alright. There it is. And I'm just going to put everything that comes in the box on the table. Alright, so there we are. This is the MicroKorg S, and it's a little bit bigger than I imagined it to be. Alright, so here's a closer look. Alright, so I'm going to plug the power into this and then we're going to give it a try. Alright, so I've plugged in the power, I've plugged in the condenser microphone, so let's just go ahead and turn it on. Let's see what kind of sounds we get out of this. Turn up the volume. So the main thing with this synthesizer compared to the regular MicroKorg is that this thing has built-in speakers and it also has more memory to store your presets or your patches in. So I guess I'll just go over some of the sounds. Try that one. That one was pretty cool. So number 3A is the arpeggiator. Let's try 4. Pretty cool. Oh, that sounds bad. And the last one. Alright, so I'm not going to go over every single preset that it has, but one of the other big things with the MicroKorg S is that it has different banks here. So B, C, and D. Now we're back to A. And yeah, like I said before, that is one of the big things with the MicroKorg S as opposed to the original MicroKorg, is that it comes with speakers and it comes with more banks and more memory to store your presets in. Now I guess just for fun, we'll try out the vocoder.
Hello, 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 hello. This is Jazra. Remember to subscribe. And I hope you're liking the video so far. Hello. Hello. Subscribe to the channel. Hello. This is my mom.
Okay, so let me change that back. Alright, so the vocoder is a little hard to use. It's kind of hard to get any audible thing out of it, but I'm going to have to mess with that a little bit more to get it sounding right, I guess. Anyways, like I said before, this is just a very basic video. There are tons of videos on YouTube already explaining every single little detail about this thing, and I just basically wanted to do an unboxing and a tiny little review just for anyone who's curious. I actually bought this MicroKorg so I can hook it up to my talkbox and start doing talkbox covers with it, and so I will actually be putting out a video for a talkbox patch for the MicroKorg S. So subscribe so you don't miss that video. This thing's really cool. I'm going to have to mess around with it a little bit more because this is literally the first time I've laid my hands on it, is just for this unboxing and review. So yeah, I hope you liked the video, guys. There will be a lot more videos on the MicroKorg, so stick around so you don't miss any of those. Alright, so this is the end. And like I always say, be kind, be happy, keep making music, and I'll see you all in the next video.